The power behind the player Relebohile Mofokeng's journey from Soweto to stardom. In the heart of every rising star is a story few ever see, one of sacrifice, resilience, and unwavering support. For Relay Mofokeng, one of South Africa's brightest football talents, that story begins not on the pitch, but in the quiet, heart-wrenching decisions made by his mother, Naomi. Featured in Adidas' poignant new campaign, The Plus One Effect, which shines a light on the unsung heroes behind elite athletes, Naomi Mofokeng offers a moving account of the choice that altered the course of her son's life. At just 13, Relebohile was sent away from home to attend boarding school, a decision made not out of convenience but conviction. Naomi said it broke me, but it was a sacrifice I had to make so he could have a better future. Raised in Soweto, Relebohile's early life was steeped in modesty, yet marked by an uncommon talent and a left foot destined to be seen by thousands. Today, the 20-year-old winger dazzles fans in the black and white of Orlando Pirates, turning heads with his electric pace, calm under pressure, and innate creativity. But his success is rooted in those early, lonely years spent far from home and the belief his family never stopped showing him. After progressing through the SAFA Transnet School of Excellence, Mofokeng was scouted by Orlando Pirates in 2022. He wasted no time making his mark, debuting in his first season and earning national recognition with caps for Bafana Bafana. Despite his rapid ascent, he remains grounded in humility and gratitude. Relebohile said, having both my parents by my side is a privilege. They've always believed in me through the wins and the losses. I want to make them proud because they've always been there for me and I'll always be there for them. Now in his second season with Buccaneers, Mofokeng plays with the maturity of someone who knows the value of every moment. And as the roar of stadiums grows louder, it's his mother's quiet words that continue to stir him. When you know where you come from, you know where you are going. In a game often dominated by statistics and spectacle, Relebohile Mofokeng's story reminds us that behind every prodigy is a person, and behind every person, someone who believed in them before the world did. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.